Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Knott with Disability Resolution PA. Let's get right to the question. This is question 33 out of the top 50 most common Social Security disability hearing questions that you'll experience before an administrative law judge for the SSA child-based claim. Here we go. 33. Does the child need to be pushed to complete things? So does the child need a little extra emphasis? Do you have to bait the child to go ahead and do their homework, to go ahead and complete tasks online, to go ahead and pick up their toys, to go ahead and, figure things out to finish something, do the laundry, clean the room, whatever? What do you have to do to get the child to move in the right direction? What is the carrot and the stick method that you use to go ahead and push the child forward to complete things in a timely manner? This is important because a lot of kids will often be oppositional defiant. They won't want to do things. They won't want to interact with the parent. They'll scrape with the parent. They'll hit the parent, things like that. So this is kind of the question where you want to go into what do you use as a method to try and get the child to do things, and then how do they not do things even while using that methodology, and what methods have you tried with the timeline attached to it. All right. My name is Attorney Walter Knott, Disability Resolution PA. I'll catch you a little bit later. Have an absolutely wonderful day, and thank you so much. Please remember to like, subscribe, leave 5-star reviews. Also, 8 to 10 every Thursday Eastern Standard Time. I go live on YouTube. I'll catch you a little bit later, and we'll go from there. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.